Hello and welcome. I will guide you to create a service or preventive maintenance (PM) schedule using IntelliMaint CMMS software. Go to Preventive Maintenance from the main menu, select New Schedule. Enter a schedule title, for example, Generator Oil Change. Choose the asset from your asset list. Select the most recent service date for this asset. This helps the system calculate when the next service is due. List each task to be performed during the service, e.g., replace oil filter, inspect belts, check coolant. You can reorder or edit tasks anytime. Choose repetition type and duration. Type as repeated or one-time service. Interval as time-based, hours, days, weeks, months, years. Usage-based, kilometers, mile, operating hours, cycles. Set notification interval. Choose how far in advance you want to be alerted before the service is due, e.g., 3 days before, 1 week before, and on the due date, 100 kilometers before. Save to activate the schedule. IntelliMaint will now automatically generate PM tasks and notify you according to your chosen settings. Once the scheduled maintenance task is finished, you need to mark it as complete so IntelliMaint can generate the next service automatically. The current schedule will be marked as completed. A new schedule will automatically be created. Every time you finish a preventive task, IntelliMaint ensures the next one is repeated automatically, keeping your assets on track without manual rescheduling. Thank you for using IntelliMaint CMMS. We're committed to helping you simplify maintenance, improve asset reliability, and save time.